A warm and lovely afternoon to all my viewers. Today again, I'm extending my knowledge about the board exams and especially for those children who are going to appear for the first time. That is CBSE and ICSE, of course. Children, today I'll be talking about unfair means used during the exams. Now, you all know since your childhood, the teachers keep telling you don't use unfair means in the examination, do not cheat, do not look here and there, do not bring slips, or many other things. During the board exams, you have to be more particular. For example, you have to carry the transparent pouch to carry your stationery items, then the transparent water bottle. First thing, that the cardboards are not required, but even if you are in habit of carrying the cardboard for the exams, it shall be transparent again. But it matters, friends, from center to center, that some centers allow the transparent cardboards to be in the examination hall and some centers even don't allow, because there is a good amount of papers in the booklet, 38, 32 paper sheet and good quality. So students don't even need that. So right from here, your unfair means and the fair means starts. Bringing transparent pouches, bringing transparent water bottle, transparent cardboard, plus no digital watches, no electronic gadgets. Nothing shall be there in your pouch other than your roll number slip, that is your ID only. If you have anything other than this, or if you are saying that by mistake मैडम ये आ गया है, गलती से ये पेपर, ये पर्ची हमारे बैग में रह गई है, हमारे पॉकेट में रह गई है, it will be counted as unfair. Then in the examination hall, if you have written anything in your hand, on your wrist, on your fingers or anywhere else, or you are walking to the washroom where you have kept some kind of books, notebooks or anything, it is all counted in unfair. Finally, taking and giving the sheets in the examination hall, it happens rarest among rare case that the sheets are being circulated in the examination hall in the presence of 2 invigilators and only 24 students. It means one invigilator takes care of 12 students. I will extend more. Thank you. Have a lovely time. Bless you all.